devotees that make it possible for us to be devotees ourselves, alone. Who has a fired up kirtan all by himself? Who dances around the room early in the morning? Some of us, maybe, sometimes. I sometimes do it, but not every day. But in the temple, it's natural. It's Mangalarti. So, in the association of devotees, the enthusiasm of one devotee lights up the enthusiasm of another devotee. And in this way, we depend on the loving relationship with the Vaishnavas. Sadvinam Pritilaksanam, the 6 loving exchanges with the Vaishnavas are very important. And what's the first word of the verse again? Huh? Yes, thank you. Sino, dadati, pratigrinati, dadati pratigrinati. We give in to other devotees. We give gifts. Always giving things to devotees, some mercy. We get some mercy and we give to others. Just like Burijan Prabhu is someone who is a prominent personality in this community. And I had the good fortune of being with Burijan Prabhu for many years in Vrindavan. And we were together every day, at least for some time. So one day, Burijan found out that somewhere in Bengal, there was a devotee who had an original Harinam Chadar belonging to Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So he fixed his mind. He said, I want that chadar. I got to have that chadar. So he just somehow or other went to that family and very humbly and very nicely and brought many gifts for them and, you know, and just served them and like melted them completely till they were the point they were soft as butter. And then at that stage, he just said, I heard about this chadar. And if you could give this chadar to me, I could really give that mercy to all the grandchildren and great-grandchildren of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So somehow or other he can be very convincing, Burijan. I mean, if you know him, I mean. And so he managed to get that chadar. I don't know how, but he got it. But then what did he do? No, you won't believe this, what he did. He took that chadar and he just cut it in many little pieces. Yeah, no, he did. Shocking. And then he put each piece in a little frame and then he started to distribute it to all the Vaishnavas. Everyone got a piece, me too, you know. That was not bad. That was quite a gift. Original piece of the original chadar of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Thank you, Burijan sir. That was a kind gift. That was very kind. And such a kind thought. To think like that. To think like that. That is Vaishnava. Dadati pratigrinanti. Guyam agata pritchati. To reveal our mind in confidence, to discuss our spiritual life. Guyam agata pritchati doesn't mean to reveal our mind in confidence, something like a psychotherapy session, you know, and we're going to put everything on the table and that's what is meant there. No, it just means that we are discussing about how to advance in Krishna consciousness. And Guyam agata pritchati, gosh, I have to start again from the beginning, otherwise I don't know the verse. Still don't know. Blocked. Next. Next verse. Next line. Already? We're already at Bhungte Bhojayate Chaiva? I thought that comes... There must be 6. I thought that is the end. Bhungte Bhojayate Chaiva. Satvidam Piti Lakshana. It's the last line. There's a line missing. Anyway, whatever it is, so early in the morning. We're all a little rusty, including myself, on the slokas. I have a sloka book. Just remember. Oh, humble sage. You need a qualified brahmana to look up this verse, Tadapi Prakagrinati. Thank you. And in that way, Bhungte Bhojayate Chaiva is about taking prasadam with devotees. One time, I was taking prasadam with some senior Vaishnavas, including Giriraj Maharaj. And Giriraj Maharaj said, it is a proven fact that when cows take their meals together, they give more milk. Bhungte Bhojayate Chaiva. He said, so when the Vaishnavas come together and take prasadam, then they'll give more, more bhakti becomes manifest. Thank you. Yeah, it is right. It is, we're already there at Bhungte Bhojayate. You were right. Okay. Such a short verse. It's finished before you started. But these verses are nice. They are gifts to us. Gifts from Krishna, gifts from devotees. They are the gifts of Vyasadeva, who carefully sat down and wrote everything down. So we are not alone in spiritual life. Not alone. Never. Even sometimes when we are far away from the devotees, we are not alone. We are not alone.